and then go back in, remove the lower one, and don't lose it in your engine bay like Andrew did. Today we have some more Gladiator content for you. Milne, what do you got there?
We got some new Demon Eye headlights.
Oh yeah. So we have some insanely cool LED halo headlights. They're RGB, iPhone controlled, the whole 9 yards. Gonna swap out these stock halogen headlights. Get her nice and bright.
A lot of wiring.
Oh yeah.
Scary.
Alright, to save time, I filmed all of the rolling shots at home, so cut to that right now. So right off the bat, super well packaged here with some very thick foam. It's like an inch thick. Protecting one of our headlights up top here, but pulling out our wiring components, we have just some bare wire in case we need to make any wiring adjustments. Looks like we have some H4 to H11 headlight adapter wires here. We have 2 of those. And then we have these sick headlights themselves. Oh my goodness. That has some serious hefty weight to it. Holy cow. I just got all of this out of the box here, and this is gonna take me a second to get it all organized, but the amount of wiring is just absolutely astounding compared to any other headlight I've ever seen or worked on. This is the entire wiring harness right here. It's like 3 feet long, tons of wire, probably weighs almost a pound. No, probably more like half a pound, but tons of wire. And the reason for that, I was a little confused when I saw 3 separate leads here off of the headlight in addition to our main headlight connection. And then I remembered we have not 1, not 2, but 3 individual halo LED rings inside of this headlight, and they all need to be individually controlled. So that's why we have so much wiring here. So taking a look at the whole reason we're here, the headlights themselves, they are a 7-inch halo LED headlight. Being LED, they're gonna be a lot brighter than the OEM headlights. And I think these headlights are gonna have a really nice color. They're at about a 6000 K cool white temperature. So they're right at that nice cool white color. Something I was super impressed by right when I pulled it out of the box. I often upgrade a lot of my headlights to have these bulbs that have an integrated cooling fan. It's just a nicer, higher quality LED bulb. And we get that with these headlights right out of the box, so I'm stoked to see a solid bulb in here. Of course, we do have a clear lens, a nice blacked out housing. A lot of headlights, they have a chrome back, and I don't really prefer that. I like the nice black housing. Keeps things really clean. And then something else I was really happy to see, we have not 1 but 2 little boxes, so to speak, hooked up to our headlight. The first being our power management ballast that goes to the headlight bulb, and then we have this little waterproofed box. As you can see, it's sealed up really well. This is our anti-flicker module, because a lot of the cheaper LED headlights or headlight kits offered on the market, they flicker and it can be really annoying. So I'm glad to see we have everything we need ready to go. Again, taking a quick glance at our wiring, closer look at these little control boxes does in fact confirm that they are to control our RGB halo rings, and there are 3 of them zip tied together here, which is quite the crazy setup. And then on the other end of the harness, we have this little LED controller. As you can see, it has Bluetooth on it. This is compatible with both Apple and Android devices, so you don't have to worry about having the correct device. And then right on the back of our control module is a nice little QR code, so we can scan that, go online and grab the app. So that's really cool. Final thing I do need to mention is these headlights were originally created for the JKU. That being said, we're gonna need this set of headlight adapters. And these are included free of cost. You don't have to go out and purchase these separately or anything. It's just a basic mounting bracket adapter that's gonna adapt our new JT or JL to allow us to accommodate this older mounting style. Other than that, I don't really know anything else to mention. They do come with a standard 14-day return policy and a 1-year warranty, just to give you a little bit of peace of mind, though it does seem to be really well sealed up all the way around the edges here. But yeah, enough talking, let's jump into the install. I want to catch Andrew's reaction. He's yet to see these headlights at all, so.
God damn, this is a lot of wiring.
Yeah, there's a lot. Well, you know why? You have 3 separate LED rings that you can control. All different colors if you want.
Oh my
Dude, pull off the plastic.
These look so fresh, dude.
Oh my god. And they're the black housing, so it's not chrome on the inside.
Yeah, dude.
It'll be
Looks sweet.
cooling fan.
Looks quality even. Hose clamp. It looks nice, dude.
Yeah.
John Barry.
John Bear. Shout out Uncle Tom for the toolbox. I think this is what we're gonna start off with. So to start things off, we're just pulling off the front grille, which is held on by plastic rivets, similar to the old JKU. So Andrew will show you here if you pop up. Oh, we'll show you on a new. We'll show you how to do it. So you just use a flathead or a rivet removal tool, pop up the middle part, pull it out, and then go back in, remove the lower one, and don't lose it in your engine bay like Andrew did.
Damn it.
No, it's probably on the ground. Oh no.
How'd that even happen?
So once you have all those rivets off the top, just pull it back, pop out of place, and
There we go.
there we go.
Hey.
And now we got access to the headlights. Oh, it's not even Torx? Huh? I guess they switched to, these used to be all Torx. All right, so pulling off the headlights, just need a 10mm socket. All right, so just pull out those 3 screws. This will pop right on out. Don't pull it too hard though. Still got your wire connected right here. It's just gonna be a little press tab. Press down. Almost dropped that.
That's a fucking bucket of a headlight. Holy
Yeah,
shit.
that's a big headlight, especially compared to these. All right, so we've got both of our stock headlights out, and before we get our new brackets mounted up or new headlights, we're gonna route all of our wiring through while we can easily pull it through there. Andrew's scanning the barcode on the control box here and downloading the app before we stuff it into the engine bay and wrap it up in waterproofing. All right, so we found the app here. It's called LED BLE.
Got the same sign in the front, right there in the middle of the barcode.
Oh yeah. So definitely get that app before you stuff this in the engine bay. But the first step, we're gonna be starting with that LED control box, giving it 12 volt, and kind of working our way from there to the headlights in terms of all of our wiring. So before I cover it all up with electrical, Andrew has bunched up the majority of the non-waterproof connections and the non-waterproofed LED control box here, and I'm basically just gonna take some electrical tape here, quite a bit of it, and that up a little bit here. Now we're gonna waterproof this in a plastic bag and then wrap it in a ton of electrical just to make sure it's safe. So we just extended out the control box wires, pop that sucker in our plastic bag, get it all waterproofed.
Yeah, main concern is the top. Should we do the whole thing?
So while I was doing a little bit of electrical over here, I was crimping on some little spade connectors. Andrew got all of our headlight wiring run out to each of the headlight locations. We stuffed our control box down in there. Should be pretty dry. And then we just lifted up this little plastic piece, ran our driver's side cables over, put it through this little clip, basically looks stock, and ran all of our connections out. So now we just gotta hook up 12 volt with our little spade connectors. Oh yeah. Another option would be finding a fuse in your fuse box, 12 volt, but we don't really want to deal with that, so we're kind of taking the easy route.
Yeah, it's work for us.
Once we get like 8 more accessories to wire up, we'll probably get a little stuffed on these terminals. We'll figure out something else then.
Just you guys wait and see.
We got these adapter brackets, so these they're definitely originally designed for a JKU, but they do have adapters here that are
JK.
Or JK, yeah. But they have adapters for the JL and JT, and they are driver side and passenger side specific, we found out. But
The pins
little pins line up, and then we're just gonna reinstall our factory hardware. Same thing over on the driver's side. Nice. Doing some custom bracket modification. This side's also gotta go up a little. So what we just realized wiring was that we had hooked up the Bluetooth module directly to the battery, so it was always going to be on, thus always powering the halos. So we tapped into F52, fuse number F52 in the fuse box here, which is the cigarette lighter, which is of course only on when the car is on. We used an add a fuse, tapped in here. Yeah, we did. And we're powering our Bluetooth box using that now. So at this point, we're now ready to install our new headlights, but you're first gonna have to remove this little retainer ring from the headlight bracket. It's just 3 Phillips head screws. Remove that. Remove your fucking flux cover from your headlight, and you wanna drop this sucker in?
Yeah.
Oh wait, we gotta plug it in.
Oh, yeah, that's what I figured out.
Alright, so we got everything plugged in and wired up. We're doing a little testing here. Headlights are looking sick. We just gotta finish taping up a few things here, get them into place, and put this ring and 3 little Phillips head screws around it. Be good to go. So we got our new headlights mounted up with the little band that goes around it and the 3 Phillips head screws mounted up really nicely. The headlights are almost level, but the right one's a little bit lower than left. Oh no, actually.
No, it does that. Look, we're gonna lower it.
You already leveled it, right?
Yeah, look at what you see. See where it goes down?
Oh yeah, yeah.
Like, it doesn't go down there, it goes down over there.
So with a T25 Torx, you can tighten this top screw, it'll raise the headlight, and you can also adjust left to right using this screw. Tighten that, it'll go out to the right. Tighten this one, it'll go out to the left. But we're gonna pop the grill on and see how it looks. That looks sharp. Oh, nice. Oh, there you go. Nice. Let's get this one started up. Got the JKU flexed up here. Sway bar disconnected. Flexing pretty heavy, if I do say so myself. Jesus. Look at that. Yeah, you want to give them a quick glance at the app? Give you guys a quick look at it. So you can change the color to literally anything you want. Anything on the rainbow wheel. And you can also do like custom sequences and just all sorts of stuff. So you can also adjust the brightness, everything right from your phone. And if you get rock lights from the same company, I believe you can link them up on the same app. That looks crazy. These are some crazy headlights.